Bese kuphele izinyanga lo ngoti ethula ubufakazi mayelana nokusebenza kwezingcingo zabasolwa. Kodwa-ke kukho konke lokho ummeli ukholwa ukuthi umbuso uzama ukugqiba obunye ubufakazi bokuxhumana okwaba khona phakathi komsolwa wesithathu noKelly Khumalo. Uthi-ke lokhu kwake kwavela enkantolo.
There is an information that is deliberately omitted by the state because that evidence is crucial. We need to know which number did Kelly Khumalo use to phone Silo Twala.
Ijaji uRatha Mohatlheng lithi ummeli uMngomezulu uzama ukusebenzisa lobu bufakazi njengento eyiqiniso.
Me, as I'm following the evidence, Mr. Mngomezulu is insinuating that the statement, according to, I'm quoting you, Mr. Mngomezulu,
Yes.
the statement of accused number 2, that's number 2 phone, allegedly phone Kelly.
No, it's number 3.
Number 3 phone Kelly.
Yes.
You are now insinuating that that is the truth.
Ummeli uthi ukhathazekile ngokuthi akakwazi ukubonisa ukuthi kwake kwavela lokhu enkantolo uma umbuso ungafuni ukuphosa imibuzo ngakho. Icala lizoqhubeka kusasa.